Hello, I'm Sarah Jane C. De Rosario, 21 years old, and currently living in Busilak, Alfonso Lista, Ifugao, and my favorite color is peach. I am also a student pursuing a degree in education. The belief that I am destined to be a teacher stems from a deep passion for fostering positive learning environments and making a meaningful impact of student lives. This conviction solidified as I observed the transformative power, power of education in shaping individuals and communities. One of the most painful criticism I received was centered around my teaching styles. However, I choose to view it as an opportunity to grow, seeking constructive feedback and adapting approach to better meet the diverse needs of my students. When confronted with toxic positivity, I navigate it by acknowledging and addressing genuine concerns without dismissing the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. I strive to be an authentic individual, not an imitator, embracing my unique qualities and perspective to create a genuine connection with my future students. In 10 years, I envision myself as a confident and aspiration educator, continuously evolving to meet the evolving needs of my educational landscape and empowering students to reach their fullest potential. And I thank you.